A is for audible. Sometimes the quarterback changes the play at the last second. B is for blitz. That's when the defense runs fast to try to sack the quarterback. A blitz. C is for coach. Every team needs a coach to guide the players. D is for defense. The defense tries to stop the other team from scoring. That's right. E is for end zone. That's where touchdowns happen, the special area at the end of the field. F is for field goal. Kick the ball through the uprights and score 3 points. G is for goal line. Cross the goal line and you can score. H is for huddle. Players gather in a circle to talk about the next play. I is for interception. That's when the defense catches a pass meant for the other team. J is for jersey. Players wear jerseys with their team's colors, numbers, and sometimes their names. K is for kickoff. The game starts with a kickoff. L is for that line of scrimmage. That's where each play begins. Yes, that's right. M is for mascot. Every team has a mascot to cheer them on. Which mascot's your favorite? N is for number. Each player has a special number on their jersey. O is for offense. The offense tries to score points. P is for pass. The quarterback throws the football to a teammate. P is for pass. The quarterback throws the football to a teammate. Q is for quarterback. The quarterback is the leader of the offense. R is for referee. The referee makes sure everybody is playing fairly. S is for stadium. That's where the big football games are played. T is for touchdown. Run or catch the ball in the end zone. Touchdown! U is for uniform. Players wear helmets, pads, and uniforms. V is for victory. That means we won the game. W is for wide receiver. They catch passes from the quarterback. X is for that extra point. That's how we know that we have gotten more points on that scoreboard. Y is for the yard line. The football field has yard lines to measure distance. Z is for zone defense. Players cover an area or a zone to stop the other team. Great job! You've learned the ABCs of football. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us again on Splash Learning for more ways to learn. See you next time.